If you're seeing Epic Games error code 2330, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a quick fix that can help you reinstall the Epic Games launcher the right way using an elevated installer command. This is a useful method when the normal installer fails, gives permission issues, or refuses to complete the setup process. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, you need to download a fresh installer from the official Epic Games Launcher download page. Using the official installer is important because it makes sure you're working with the latest version and avoids any corrupted or outdated setup files. Once the download is complete, open your Windows Downloads folder and find the file named Epic Installer. Now here's the important part. Hold down the Shift key, right-click the Epic Installer file, and choose Copy as Path. This copies the full file location exactly as Windows sees it, which helps prevent typing errors later on. Next, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This step matters because error code 2300 is often related to permission problems, and running the command prompt with administrator access gives the installer the elevated rights it needs. Once the terminal window opens, type Msiexec and make sure you include the space after the I. After that, right-click right after the text and paste the file path you copied earlier. Your command should look something like Msiexec followed by the full path to your Epic installer file in quotation marks. If your path is different, that's completely normal. Just make sure the copied path is pasted correctly and the spacing is exact. After you've entered the full command, press Enter to force an elevated administrative installation. Windows should now launch the Epic Games installer with the proper permissions, which can help bypass the error and complete the setup successfully. If the installer opens normally, follow the on-screen prompts and let the installation finish. In many cases, this method resolves Epic Games error code 2330 because it avoids the standard install path and runs the setup with higher privileges. If you still run into problems, double-check that you copied the correct installer path and that command prompt was opened as administrator. It's also a good idea to make sure your Windows account has permission to install software on the PC. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix Epic Games error code 2330 using an elevated installer command. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.